In this Getting Started video, we're going to cover the first time access to MyHive and HiveManager Online. To do this, we're going to locate the credentials for HiveManager Online, log into MyHive and HiveManager Online, and get started with HiveManager Express Mode. In order to find out how to log into my HiveManager Online account, I will check for an email message from hmol@aerohive.com. If you cannot find the message, you should check your spam folder to see if the message was classified incorrectly. In your spam preferences, please make sure you do not block emails from Aerohive.com. The email message from HMOL contains login instructions for you to access your HiveManager Online account. First, I will copy the randomly generated password provided in the email, and then I will click the URL link to go to myhive.aerohive.com. The admin will be the email address I provided when placing the order. Then I will paste the password I just copied. Upon logging into the HiveManager Online account for the first time, you will be directed to the My Hive homepage. From here, you have a choice to access your HiveManager Online account or the Aerohive redirector. The redirector maintains a list of serial numbers for your APs that belong to your account and is responsible for redirecting your APs to your HiveManager Online system once the APs contact the redirector from over the internet. When you order your APs and a HiveManager Online account, your redirector account will automatically be set up with the serial numbers of your APs, so there is no need to go there unless there are additional APs you want to add to your HiveManager Online account. At this time, I will go to my HiveManager Online account. The first screen displays an Aerohive End User License Agreement. Please read it and click Agree to continue. At this time, you are presented with a HiveManager welcome screen and are given the ability to configure some default options. The Hive name entered here, along with an automatically generated 64-character shared secret key, will be sent to your APs when you perform a configuration update. Once updated, your APs will use this information to securely communicate with each other using Aerohive's cooperative control protocols. The shared secret key generated for the Hive is also used to encrypt communication between the APs using the Advanced Encryption Standard, AES. Next, you must enter a new HiveManager password. This password is for the admin account in HiveManager, for SSH or Serial Console access to your APs, and is the secret key for the Virtual Access Console SSID that appears if your AP cannot access the network. At this time, I will enter a new HiveManager password. Next, you must configure the time zone. This should be set to the location of where the APs are physically located. In this example, the APs are in Sunnyvale, California, which is GMT-8. Moving down the list, you can choose whether you want to use Express Mode or Enterprise Mode. Express Mode is recommended for a simple wireless LAN configuration with a single set of configuration policies for all of your APs. Enterprise Mode exposes more options and allows multiple sets of configuration policies to be applied to different APs. Please note that if you are managing Aerohive routers, you must use Enterprise Mode. If you are managing APs, you can always start in Express Mode and convert to Enterprise Mode at a later time from the HiveManager Home Device Management Options menu. For this example, I will use Express Mode, so I will click Continue. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please continue to the next video in the Getting Started video series.